Behold the 1972 Buick Riviera, a true symbol of American luxury and design. Drenched in a stunning deep metallic blue, this timeless classic commands attention with its bold, boat-tail, rear and sleek, flowing body lines. It's a car that was built to turn heads, and still does, nearly half a century later. Up front, the Buick Riviera's wide, iconic grille and quad headlights make a powerful statement. The chrome detailing catches the light, accentuating the car's aggressive yet refined persona. It's a design that speaks to Buick's commitment to craftsmanship and elegance in the early 1970s. Step inside the Riviera, and you're immediately enveloped in luxury. The interior, with its rich leather upholstery in wood grain accents, offers a refined driving experience. Buick's attention to detail is everywhere, from the large, comfortable driver's seat to the classic analog gauges that give this car its authentic, vintage feel. At the heart of the Riviera's interior lies its beautifully crafted dashboard. The large steering wheel, emblazoned with the Buick emblem, offers a commanding grip, while the dashboard's wood grain trim and chrome accents highlight the car's refined style. The analog gauges remind you of a time when driving was all about feeling connected to the road. The most striking feature of the 1972 Buick Riviera is its dramatic, boat-tail, rear design. This sweeping curve defines the car's silhouette, creating a sense of speed and motion even when it's standing still. The sloping rear deck and extended trunk add to the car's distinct look, a design choice that set the Riviera apart from anything else on the road. Beneath the Riviera's sculpted hood lies raw power. Buick's 455 cubic inch V8 engine provided the Riviera with serious performance to match its luxurious looks. This engine, known for its smooth torque and power delivery, made the Riviera not just a cruiser, but a car that could truly perform on the open road. From every angle, the 1972 Buick Riviera is a masterpiece of automotive design. Its deep metallic blue finish gleams under the showroom lights, highlighting every curve and detail of its iconic body. Nearly 50 years later, the Riviera remains a testament to Buick's legacy of luxury, innovation, and performance. The 1972 Buick Riviera. A car that defined an era and continues to inspire. It's not just a piece of history, it's an enduring symbol of American automotive excellence.